Number 7, we are going to begin by distributing that 1/2 over the entire quantity. 1/2 times 2x is x. 1/2 times -7, or subtract 7, will be a -3.5. And that is less than or equal to 10 plus x. From there, we're going to subtract x from both sides. And when you do that, you have -3.5 is less than or equal to 10. And if you look at that statement, -3.5 is smaller than 10. That's a true statement. So this is one of those situations where our solution is all reals or all real numbers. You can read that. On the back side, number 8, USA Today charges a fee of $650 plus $80 a week to run an ad. So $650 plus $80 a week. Grand Rapids Press charges $145 a week. So 145x. And your question is, for how many weeks will the total cost of the USA Today be more expensive than the total cost at the Grand Rapids Press? So we want to know for how long this is bigger. They want to know for how long the USA Today is more expensive. Solving that, we are going to subtract 80 from both sides. And when you do that, you are left with 650 is bigger than 65x. And you divide both sides by 65. And you have 10 is greater than x. Or if you prefer, x is less than 10. So basically, the USA Today is cheaper for the first 9 weeks. At 10 weeks, they would probably be equal. And at 11 or more weeks, then the Grand Rapids Press would be cheaper, right? So this is, this is more expensive for the first 9 weeks, then they're equal, and then this is more expensive. Number 9, Paula raised $325 for her team's softball team's fundraiser. She wants to raise at least $605. Write and solve an inequality to determine how much more money she must raise. So she has $325. She's going to raise some more, which we're going to call that x, and that is going to compare to $605. 605 is the least amount, the smallest amount of money that she wants to raise. So this amount of money that she raises is either going to be bigger than or equal to 605, because this is the least amount. So to solve that, we subtract 325 from both sides, and you have x is greater than or equal to, check my math here, I think it's 280. Yeah. So she needs to raise at the very least $280, or possibly more if she wants to raise more than that. So $280. And question number 10. To win the blue ribbon for the heaviest pumpkin crop at the county fair, the average weight of Susan's 2 pumpkins must be greater than 819 pounds. So 819 is our cutoff, and it needs to be greater than that. The weight of the pumpkins has to be greater than that. One of her pumpkins is 887 pounds. And the question is, what is the least number of pounds the second pumpkin could weigh in order for her to win the blue ribbon? So we're going to do 887 plus x, and we want the average, so we're going to divide those by 2, add the 2 and average it. To undo a divided by 2, we are going to multiply both sides by 2, and you end up with 887 plus x is greater than 1,639. 38, sorry. And from there, when you subtract 887 from both sides, you end up with x is bigger than, check my math on this one, 751. So that second pumpkin has to be 751 pounds. And number 11, actually we did in our notes yesterday, so we're going to skip over that one.